Hey guys, my name is Hidan for to Share, and I will be sharing my knowledge on AP Computer Science A in my videos. This video is possible thanks to our partners at Letitu, who provided us with APCS resources and practices. In AP Computer Science A, there are 10 chapters which cover different basic skill sets that would help you to master the Java language over the course. I will be making 1 or 2 videos per chapter, which will include essential knowledge and practices to help you guys succeed in the APCS course. Throughout my videos, I will be using the online resources from Letitu's The Pond, along with PowerPoint and Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. IDEs are strings of instruments, or to put simply, applications or services which help you visualize and edit your codes. Though IDEs are completely up to your preferences, and College Board exams don't require you to have a specific IDE, I chose Eclipse for my videos as it works great with Java and is free on any platform including Windows and Mac. Today's video is going to be on Chapter 1, Primitive Types. The very first thing you will be learning in APCS, or when you start learning any other programming languages, is going to be how to print something out on your console. Java uses a specific syntax, system.out.print or system.out.println, to print out the content on your console. ln, which stands for line, puts a line break at the end of each output. On the left, when you use system.out.print, hello and Java are on the same line, whereas on the right, they are separated into 2 different lines. Now that we know how to output contents to your console, we will learn how to create string literals. String is a sequence of characters stored in a variable. Literals are values that can be assigned to a variable. To put simply, creating a string literal means you are storing a sequence of characters into a specific variable. There are 2 ways to declare a string in Java. Line 1 shows a method which uses the new operator. New operator is a method that acts as a constructor, something which will be covered in a later lesson. Line 2 uses a string literal method. The 2 methods, despite having different syntaxes, result in the same output. Before we move on any further, we will discuss the comment function of Java. Comments are added to make notes and help users understand the code. They do not affect the code operation, but an excessive amount can rather hurt the performance. Thus, comments should be short and precise with no special characters. Now, we will move on to the practice questions. Which is the best answer of the following code? Pause the video and try it out for yourself. System.out.println on line 1 prints out 1 with a line break, while system.out.print on the second line will print 2. Hence, the answer will be C. Which of the following is the correct way to declare a string? Pause the video and try it out for yourself. A string requires double quotation marks at the beginning and at the end of the line. The answer will be B, and the declared string will be Hello Java with 3 quotation marks. Now that we have finished the very first steps of Java programming, we will learn about data type in Java. Primitive type is a data type that has a default value and does not contain null. It contains actual data values such as integers, real numbers, characters, and logical literals, and they are located in the stack memory area. There are several primitive data types, but only 4 of them make up the primitive form on the AP exam. These are integers, doubles, char, and booleans. In Java, automatic type conversion occurs because the operand stack stores operand in units of 4 bytes. For example, when calculating a value of data type smaller than int, it is converted to an int type, and in real data type, a double data type is used as a basic data type. Literal types were briefly introduced to you while explaining the string literals. As in the example here, f appended to 1.23 lets you know that the data type is a float type among real numbers. This is called a literal. The value 1.23 is called a literal value. Variable declaration and initialization is a crucial step in using primitive types and variables further onto the course. Declaration is a process which requires data type and variable names. The data type is expressed on left, such as int, double, and char. I, J, C1, and C2 on the right are all variable names. To initialize a variable, specify the data type and the name of the variable, and put the initial value in the variable's memory area using the equals operator. In this case, the initial value must match the data type. When declaring or initializing a variable, it is important to follow certain rules for creating the variable name. First character of a variable name should either start with an alphabet, underscore, or a $sign. Any other value or number should not be used. We will end today's video with one more practice question from the pond. What is the best answer of the code below? Because int is a type which can only store whole numbers, this code would display error of incompatible types. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the second part of Chapter 1 APCSA. See you in the next video.